Hi everybody, this is Diego from Brigham Young University. My group and I, we had a project on Excel dealing with VBA. So we decided to spend time in our project doing something that we could help somebody else. And we contacted this company called Exxon. They do some type of training. They train doctors, engineers. They train the road, as we can see here. And what happened is we had to create, this company receives a lot of data and they have to combine all of this data into the Excel. They have like to input all of this data. They have to go to data, new carry, and from file, from folder, and input all of this data, creating all of these spreadsheets, and then later they have to somehow combine all of this information into only one spreadsheet, matching the date of birth, name, last name, address, phone number, email, and that takes a lot of time for them like to do this every week, every month. So our goal was like creating a code that they could like just click input data, build summary, and the code would run and do all of the work for them. So to explain a little bit how this code works, I want to emphasize that this is a specific project for this company. We could do something more general for anybody else, but we had a lot of data to input into the Excel, so it took like about 15 hours to put everything into the Excel. So I'm gonna just explain to you how our code works. You just need to go to the folder where is located the file, and you just need to go there and find the address. So let's say that this is the folder where the files are. So you just need to copy the address that is here, and then you're gonna just come back and put into the cell C3 the address of the folder. And if you notice, I'm going to just show you very quick. If you notice, if you copy the address, you're going to see that automatically the cells B6, B7 to B14, it's going to create like this beautiful address for you. It's just because we have a function there, and it's going to create automatically. So this is going to create spreadsheets. If you click here, input data, you're going to create like a lot of spreadsheets. And this is really important, what I'm going to say now. You cannot change the sheet name, because our code depends on the sheet name. If you change the sheet name, you're going to have some issues here. So I advise you not change the sheet name. And I put this on the restriction here. And also do not change the range B7 to B14. As I showed you, there is a function that is working that range. Also, all of the files have to be in the same folder. So make sure, guys, you have everything, all of the data into one folder. And if you click input data, it's going to create all of this file, all of these spreadsheets. And then if you click like combine summary, what's going to happen is that it's going to create only one table combining all of the information together with net ID, date of birth, name of the customer, address. So if you notice, you're gonna see some columns that are empty here. This is not a problem for our code. We just realized that there are some customers without information. So our coding is working fine. Depending on the size of the data, sometimes it's gonna take longer, but it's gonna, it's gonna depend of the size of the data. And you don't need to be on the computer for 9 hours or 8 hours. You just need to click input data, build summary, and everything is gonna work fine, guys. So this is a project. I really hope the company can enjoy our work. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching.